Hello friends, today, I'm drawing SpongeBob SquarePants and his aquatic friends. Let's begin by drawing Patrick Star. Patrick Star loves to eat ice cream. What's your favorite ice cream flavor to share with Patrick? Then, let's draw Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs loves counting his money. Do you think he has a favorite coin? Mr. Krabs loves his secret recipe for Krabby Patties. Do you think he keeps it in a special hiding place? I'm drawing SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants is always ready for a new adventure. What kind of adventure would you go on with him? Patrick and SpongeBob love to watch the stars at night. Next, let's draw Sandy Cheeks. Sandy Cheeks wears a special suit to live underwater. Do you think she has fun exploring the ocean? Sandy loves her tree dome where she can breathe air. Do you think she grows any special plants there? And I'm drawing Squidward tentacles. Squidward Tentacles enjoys relaxing and playing his clarinet. Do you think he plays songs for his friends? Squidward sometimes gets grumpy, but he still cares about his friends. Lastly, let's draw Plankton. Plankton and his computer wife, Karen, love to come up with new ideas. What fun idea do you think they'll try next? Plankton dreams of having his own restaurant. What kind of food do you think he would serve? And now, let's color them together. Pinky, bring on the color. Amazing! They all look adorable. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.